So, with this movie tubey, I like this vacuum so much. I'm gonna show you. I just emptied it. It's not on max. Okay? It's just on regular. It's quiet, it's light. Look at this floor that it picks up. Look at all this stuff on the floor. Look, I got kids. This vacuum is amazing. I have 4 cats, 1 dog. Okay? Big dog. This thing, that slime, that ain't coming off. But like, it's plenty strong. Do I feel like I want it stronger? I think only because it's so quiet. I feel like it's not really doing anything, but then you hear it, it picks it all up. Like, we'll go over here. I mean, that's all like from his height chair. Now, if I wanted, I could flip it over to the max. It does drain the battery, but I mean, it's like super strong. You hear everything in there freaking spinning. Like, I don't really need it on max. Because a lot of the rattling is just in here. It's funny, I did this vacuum yesterday too. Kids get mess, food everywhere. Animal hair. Pieces of broken toys. And before this, so now it's at 2. Before this, I did just vacuum his toy room too. So I'm gonna put it back to regular. Dyson V8. Dyson V8, it's great. Recommend. Try it. If it didn't cost so much, I would have got the newer one, like the V11 or V10, V12, whatever that is. I would have got the pet one. But this one on sale was $400. So the only thing I can say is Dyson, work on the price. So it sounds like something got stuck. Yeah. So here's the roller. Oh, it's a pretty good roller. I mean, it's pretty stiff. Must be inside the hose. Easily comes apart. Oh, nothing in there. Still suctioning. Yeah, I think we're alright. Then it just goes right back in once you get it in the hole. Can't find the hole. There you go. Just clips right in. Alright, we're gonna have to open this up. Just push the red button. It takes a fall. I think there's something inside it. Well, I don't know. It's still working. Could be this is full too. You see, I do all that one hand holding the phone. But before I stop, oh, there it goes. Now it's quiet. I want to take it out here. Look at that big chunk. I got all this salt out here on the hardcore here. And it sucks it all up. Before I got this Dyson, I have the big Dyson. Best vacuum, hands down. Look at that. Sucks all of it up. All that salt from outside. This isn't even on the max power. This is still on regular. Let's turn it to max. Put it on max and it's like one swipe. Really? This is number one. Hands down, number one vacuum. I've gone through 3, 4 Bissels before I finally got this. Maybe not all Bissels, I think I had a dirt devil too. But like, you've seen this rug before. All of it's gone. Awesome. Thank you, Dyson. Just one thing, please work on the price. $400 for a vacuum is way too much money. And this isn't even the best one. Like, you lower your price, you'll quadruple or more your prices and your profits just by selling more. Sell more parts. And there's ways to make your profits not disappear just by lowering the price. And you don't have to, you know, make a cheaper product either. Lower the price. This is amazing. I like this vacuum. Look at that. Suck that out too. This is a piece of like wood stuck in the carpet. Now it's gone. This thing sucks everything up. Get it back to regular. So now we'll go to the garbage. After we do this a little bit. Like I said, I try to do it every day. Just because didn't plan on having 4 cats. We had 2. and the dog. And then the one cat she got outside came home knocked up, pregnant. So we ended up keeping 2 of the 4. A boy and a girl, Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Alright, let's go over here to the garbage. Let me see how I can do this. So look at this, one hand. Pull it up, and it all falls out. Do it a couple times, shake it. That's what I always do. One hand. Close it up, and there's a lot in there. Yeah. So, Movie Tubi, like and subscribe. The Dyson V8.